everyone, it's Kate and Weather here. Today we talk about the tropics again because um a bit of things have changed since my last video. I've talked about the tropics. We now have potential tropical cyclone 9, which is now in the tropics, getting close to the islands there, and it's expected to go towards Florida, just like I forecast in my last video. I told you it might go towards Florida, and I was correct because the track now says Florida. But just because it says go towards Florida doesn't mean it will. It could also go towards the coast of South Carolina, North Carolina, and Virginia there and more. Definitely could go towards that, but it's most likely going to head through parts of Cuba and Bahamas potentially, and go to Florida. I'm gonna have all the details on this coming up in today's video. Just very quickly, I'm gonna show you. This is the disturbance one. There's a 10% chance of cyclone formation in 5 days. As you can see, definitely getting closer to its expiration point. And then we're going to Tropical Storm Douglas, which yes is a now tropical storm, not a hurricane anymore. We can blow hurricane limits, but I'll have all the details on potential tropical cyclone 9 coming up in today's video, as well as the live infrared satellite, the track, the future models, all coming up in today's video, so stay tuned. But this is it right here. Just so you know the location, I'm going to circle it right here. This is it right here. And just remember where that's at because I'm going to be talking about it a lot in today's video. So yes, that is where its location is. Now let's get into the live infrared satellite on it. So this is it. So I call this a little bit organized and unorganized disturbance here. Because as you see, it's kind of in one area here. So I can circle it all right here. So it is kind of like organized because it's like all in one spot. But the reason it's kind of like unorganized because you see all these clusters of storms right here, all these areas here. There's all these clusters of storms, which makes it a little bit unorganized because you're not focusing on one area of storms that you're looking at. But that is the live infrared satellite. As you can see, it's getting really close to these islands. I would say, wow, just look how close it's getting, almost touching it. I would say it might hit those islands by the next few hours even. So yes, those islands need to be on alert. But that is the live infrared satellite. Now let's get into the track here. So this is the track on it. As you see, it's about right here by 11 a.m. Tuesday, just a few hours ago then. But again, yes, that is where it is, and it's going to be moving up here towards parts of Balmanican Republic. I think I pronounced that wrong, but by about that area right there, about 8 p.m. Thursday, and then moving closer to parts of Cuba by 8 a.m. Saturday, and the Bahamas by 8 a.m. Saturday as well. And by 8 a.m. Sunday, it's going to be making landfall in the United States and potentially hitting the state of Florida. See, the state of Florida needs to be on alert for today. But that is that track right there, as you can see, and we have a new alert issued for parts of that republic right there. But I'll get all the details on that. Actually, let's go take a look at that right now, because I'm seeing some alerts there. So I'll show you that real quick. Oh, got new tropical storm warnings for that area. Right there in that. This is actually Puerto Rico, not that same area. I don't think the National Weather Service has that area. Let me check just real quick. I don't think so. Yeah. So they only have Puerto Rico, but even though that's not the area I was talking about, I just want to let you know that Puerto Rico now is all tropical storm warning for the entire island. So guys need to be on alert for tropical storms. So yes, tropical storm warnings. But let's get back into everything else. So we looked at the track, and let's get to the future models here. So as you can see, it is right here that you saw earlier. Let me zoom this out just a little bit. There we go. As you see, it was like right here. It is right here, and it's getting closer to these islands right here. So let's time this out and see what happens. As you can see, we take this a little bit further, and it goes over those islands there and moves to parts of that republic area. Then it moves closer to the Bahamas. Looks like the GFS model. Again, this is only the GFS model. It kind of skips over the Cuba is what I'm trying to say. But that doesn't mean it won't. This is just one model, and it makes, look at all this rainfall here it makes on Florida. This is about Tuesday. You should look at all this rainfall that it makes here on Florida. Definitely gonna bring lots of rainfall to Florida there. But yes, and then we times out. We times out just a little bit further here. And then it just dissipates. We kind of get lost. Look, it moves a lot slower, and that's the problem. It's gonna move slower once it hits Florida, and which means it's gonna bring a lot of more heavy rainfall and more flooding. But it's definitely moving, and it slows down. It dissipates. It goes away after that. But yes, that is the track on that. Now let's get into switch gears a little bit and get to hurricane, or now as Tropical Storm Douglas. And yes, so just quickly gonna let you know, hurricane slash tropical storm Douglas now is not a hurricane anymore. Now is like only clouds, so definitely bringing some rainfall at some points. But as you see, look up here, it's bringing some rainfall. On what with this, bringing some rainfall. But look how much lighter this is. Compare this to a potential tropical storm. Lots of more rainfall there. That's not even close to a hurricane. Definitely weakened. But yes, that is just a quick update on that. And Tropical Storm Douglas's track from here, as you can see, it's supposed to be a tropical storm. And then by 2 p.m. Wednesday, it will weaken to a tropical depression. Then it will dissipate by 2 p.m. Thursday. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. If you like weather-related videos, leave a like, subscribe. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any weather questions, comment them down below, and I should be able to answer them. But stay safe, stay weather aware. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!